Ever wondered how to maintain those cute little plants known as succulents that everyone seems to be raving about? These small wonders of the plant kingdom have been captivating hearts with their unique ability to thrive in arid conditions. They are the perfect blend of resilience and beauty, coming in a myriad of shapes, sizes, and hues. From the jade plant's glossy green leaves to the vibrant rosettes of echeveria, the world of succulents is a treasure trove awaiting your exploration. Stick around to discover the secrets of caring for and propagating these charming plants. So, you've got a succulent and you're wondering how to care for it. No worries, we've got you covered. The key to a healthy succulent lies in three main factors: sunlight, water, and soil. Firstly, succulents love the sun. Place them near a window where they can soak up at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Secondly, water is crucial, but remember, less is more. Overwatering is a common mistake. Keep the soil slightly damp, not soaked. Lastly, the ideal soil. Choose a well-draining soil, preferably a cactus mix, to prevent waterlogging. By balancing these three elements, you'll create the perfect environment for your succulent to flourish. With these tips, your succulent will thrive and bring a touch of nature into your space. Now that you've mastered caring for your succulent, why not multiply the joy by propagating it? Propagation is as simple as selecting a healthy leaf or stem cutting from your succulent. Once you've made your selection, place it in a dry, shaded area until it forms a callus. Then plant it in a well-draining soil mixture and wait. Remember, patience is key. Succulents can take their sweet time to root and grow. Before you know it, you'll have a mini garden of succulents to admire or share with friends. See, caring for and propagating succulents isn't rocket science, is it? We've explored the captivating world of succulents, learned caring techniques, and even delved into propagation. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!